Hello everyone, this is Elijah with Financial Anatomy, coming at you with another video to help you take control of your financial destiny. On this channel we cover apps that involve money, and we're going to be talking about the Cash App, specifically how can you verify your account on Cash App. Now this is something that can be done during the sign up process as long as you don't skip any of the sections that asks for your social security number, your address, and for you to take a photo of your ID. As long as you complete the sign up process, your account should automatically be verified. But you are given the option to skip giving this information, and if you do, you have access to the Cash App, but certain features will be limited or you won't be eligible to use them. So you'll need to verify your account. So to initiate the process, the first thing you want to do is open the Cash App up. Then click the person icon in the top right hand corner. Then scroll down and click on where it says security and privacy. Once here, scroll down and you'll see where it says identity verification. You will click on it, and since my account has already been verified, this is what you're seeing. But if your account hasn't been verified, you'll be asked for the following information: your address, your social security number, and you'll need your ID on you so that a picture can be taken of it, which is part of the verification process. Once this has been done, in my experience, the verification doesn't really take that long, maybe 30 minutes to an hour. But I guess the worst case scenario is one full business day. So that's probably where you want to set your expectations to. An alternative way to verify your account is to actually just contact support. And if you wish to do that, you can follow the instructions in this video on how to contact Cash App support. And they can walk you through the steps on how to verify your account with the live chat there. They may refer you to this method that I'm telling you right here though. But that concludes this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it, and subscribe if you're new. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to get out there and take control of your financial destiny.